Get your ass off the bus, man. Fuck the next stop. You get off whenever the hell. Because you fucking flew under the door and come up from behind me, dumbass. You dopehead fucking dirty son of a bitch. Fuck you. You better wake the fuck up, or you get put to sleep forever. And fuck off with that shit. I don't even want to hear your slobber. I'll bury your ass. This will be the last stop you ever do.
Yeah, I'm getting off of this stuff.
Take all your bullshit with you, you dirty bastard. Start bringing a hammer and start beating heads off, man. I'm fuck tired of you people, man. This is your stop. This is the next stop. He's letting you off. Hurry the fuck up. Hop in the trash can, then the shower. Son of a bitch.
Hey, I told you I'm getting the fuck off the bus.
Get off then.
Now it's pouring out the fucking heck. Let me off the fucking bus.
Yeah, let this dirt bag off. Fuck. You lucky today, brother. You lucky. Bastard. Woo.